Hey everybody, welcome back to our family pantry. Now today we're going to do some test tasting. We found some Jamaican patties at our local dollar store. Now these patties, they come from Golden Krust, and Golden Krust, it's a food chain along the east coast of the United States. And so well, go ahead and do some test tasting and let you guys know how it is.
And today we've got the jerk chicken style patty. We've never had that one before. And our traditional spicy beef patty, the mild beef patty, and then the chicken patty. We haven't had that one before. And this one is our wild card, the pizza patty.
Okay, here's our mild beef patty, and we cooked it for the 2 minutes, and it's cooled for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of its package. As you can see, that nice golden crust and nice and flaky, and so
In a good shape.
Yeah, it's a nice shape, really nice shape, perfect size.
Let's see you break into that.
All right, let's pull that apart. Woo. There we go. Look at that.
The color looks good.
Looks pretty. Nice and flaky. I'm going to just come a little closer. Look at that. And it smells good too. Can't wait to bite into it.
All right, let's try it. Have we had the mild one before? I think we've only ever had the spicy, right?
Yeah, I think we've had the spicy. I'm not sure if we had the mild. Here we go.
It's hot.
This is good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. I like the crust and the texture.
It doesn't say you can do it in the oven though.
No.
I feel like it would taste better if you, like the pastry crust would be more crispy. But they do a really good job with the little inside heating mechanism that they've got.
Yeah.
The wrapper. And that's good. It's not too spicy. It's got a little hint of spice, which is great.
Yeah.
But it's just flavor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it has a good flavor. And nice flakes to it. Like she said, if you can cook it in the oven, you know, get a little crispier on the pastry side, and that would be perfect.
And one thing, you know how when you put bread or a roll or something in the microwave and it gets kind of tough and rubbery?
Mm-hmm.
This doesn't do that. This pastry crust still stays crisp, and so they've got a good thing going in their packaging.
They do.
This is delicious.
It is. So we're gonna move on to the next one, our spicy beef patty.
Spicy beef patty.
Okay. Now we have our spicy beef patty. It's been cooling some. Let me take that out of its package.
And this is the traditional that has been at the Dollar Tree for quite a few years, right?
A few years, yep. That same nice shape and nice golden crust.
Yep.
Okay, let me go ahead and pull that apart. Look, very similar to your mild beef patty.
Maybe a little bit more substantial.
Yeah.
Little thicker, less loose.
Mm-hmm.
So far.
Yeah, nice flakes on it.
Yep, same great crust, huh?
Same great crust.
Same great golden crust.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, let's go ahead and give it a try.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Sure, wait till that goes on.
No.
Okay, here we go.
It's your traditional flavor.
Yep.
And then you feel the heat.
Yeah, you definitely have the heat in this one. Mm-hmm. It's good. I love it. And for some reason, this one seems a little more flaky.
And more full. It seems
Yeah.
like there's more filling in it almost.
Yeah.
I wonder, compare the ounces. It says that there's the same amount of ounces, 5 ounces or 142 grams. So.
Yeah. It's definitely more full though.
Calories are the same. They're both 340 calories for a patty. And other than that, just the spice level is different.
Yeah.
Now, we wouldn't think that anything would be different with calories or content other than spice. But
Yeah, not at all.
I like it. I would need a nice glass of water with it. I like spicy food, but usually I gotta have some water to go along with it.
Right.
You can just...
Mom raised me on spicy food, so this is home for me.
Now, Mom did like these frozen patties. They're nice to have in a pinch, and so these are something that the spicy ones we've kept in our pantry or in our freezer for years.
4 years, yeah.
At least 5 years since they've been available in our area.
Yeah.
And so, all right, next we've got chicken, which I don't think we've tried chicken before.
Nope.
But, so we'll give that one a try. All right, now we've got the chicken patty. And this one is 330 calories. Same heating instructions and everything. And there are the ingredients.
Give this a taste. Start right there. Same, Golden Krust. Oh, don't mind our dog.
We've got a worker in the backyard right now, and she is letting him know that she doesn't like him being there. Oh.
Okay. This is flaky. The pastry on this
smells
chicken
like
one.
curry.
Yeah, it smells
you
like
get
curry.
the curry smell?
Yeah. The pastry on this one is a little soft compared to your spicy beef. And so...
Still flaky, but not as crispy, huh?
Right. But it's full.
Which is interesting.
Right. But it's full like the spicy beef. And so...
I'll take the smaller one. How's that?
Okay.
I can see the chicken. I almost wonder if there's potatoes in it.
Yeah. You can definitely smell the curry in here. Give it a try. That is a curry chicken.
Yeah, it does say curry.
A beef patty right there. It's good though. It's good.
That is really good.
Like I said, the pastry is a little more soft compared to our spicy beef though.
The spices are, let's see, onion, paprika, turmeric, onion, thyme, curry powder, which their curry powder has turmeric, coriander, fenugreek, cumin, black pepper, ginger, mustard, fennel, allspice, red pepper. And then they've also got some hot pepper, soy sauce. This one tastes really good, actually.
It does. It does. I like it.
And you can see little pieces of chicken in there.
You can get that Jamaican allspice flavor in there as well as you're going through it.
It's almost like if you were to have little bits of the curry chicken down in the pot, and then put it in. The only thing we're missing is some cocoa bread, huh?
Right. You can just have that and go on with the day.
Yeah, that's good. I like this one.
Sorry, my nose is running a little bit. There we go.
What's that spicy patty?
Yeah.
It'll get you every time.
This one's a good flavor. I like it a lot. So.
I'll give this one 2 thumbs up.
Yep.
I'm surprised, actually. I don't know why I should be surprised, but that one's really good. this one.
I like it. I enjoy the flavor. It's different from your traditional spicy beef patty.
In Jamaica, I've had your beef patty, and then I've had shrimp patty. Did we had a chicken patty there?
I don't remember a chicken patty in Jamaica.
I don't remember.
I remember
at least us trying one.
Right.
Yeah.
I remember having a veggie patty when I was there. That was delicious.
And your brother made veggie patties one time, and those were really good when we went to his house.
And so it's delicious. So.
You can put just about anything in there.
Right.
That's why we're curious about the pizza one, because pizza filling mixed with the Jamaican patty crust is going to be interesting.
Right.
We hope it's going to be good. Our kids tried it.
Yeah.
We got mixed reviews from our kids, so
yeah,
we'll try it. We'll do the jerk chicken patty next, right?
Yeah. Yes, we will.
All right, here's the jerk patty. And this one is the same amount of calories as the chicken patty. So you want to show us that? That one's been cooling.
Go ahead and slide out the package. Whoops.
Ooh.
Pull out. Same Golden Krust. This one, it feels full. It's a soft pastry again.
Like the chicken patty?
Like the chicken patty. Let's go ahead and split it. There you go.
Oh, this is interesting.
This is
It
really
looks
full.
a lot more like the beef patties.
Yeah.
But you can see little pieces of chicken in there. Huh.
So
We've definitely not tried this one before.
no, not at all.
All right.
Okay.
Do I have the smaller one?
Check.
Okay. Let me try the filling first. You can taste the jerk.
You can taste the jerk, yes.
Right away.
Yep. There you go.
She's jealous of the of the jerk patty.
Right? She can smell it. This is good. But if I'm going to have a chicken one, I'm going to go with the curry chicken patty.
For sure.
This, I'm not saying.
It's still good.
Yeah, it's still good.
But
But
yeah.
there's just a different flavoring that the curry chicken patty has.
It doesn't really have your true jerk flavor. Like, you can taste a little bit. There's nothing like jerk chicken off the pimento firewood in Jamaica, or even trying to make it at home on the gas grill. But for me, this just doesn't say jerk chicken. Did it to you?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Not to say that it's not good. It's still good. It just doesn't say jerk chicken to me.
Right.
What do you think?
No, I agree. It has a little bit of that jerk flavor, but
It's not very spicy. It's more like the mild patty.
it's right, and it so it doesn't jump out and truly grab you. It's good. It's still a good flavor. You want to buy a patty and they only have the jerk chicken patty.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Yeah. Any patty's better than no patty.
Right. I'll fill my belly up with it.
All right, this is our lunch. Taste testing each of the patties. Now we have
one more patty.
pizza left, huh?
Yep.
Pizza left. This could go really well.
Right. It may go well. So it's different. Sometimes with the beef patty, when we make it, we slide in a slice of cheese.
Yeah.
And that's a game changer itself right there.
Yeah.
And so but to have a pizza patty, this is gonna be a new adventure for us.
Is it going to be like a version of like a pizza bagel, or those pizza pockets?
Well, yeah, right.
I don't know.
We'll have to see.
But this is interesting.
It is.
You can have the rest of mine if you want it.
Okay.
Here
We got Jamaican beef patty meets New York City street food, right?
Yep.
Pizza patty. And so this one is 360 calories. And let's see the back. There's our list of ingredients. Same prep, everything.
And it's just a cheese pizza patty.
Is it? Does it say?
That's what it looks like.
Pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella or Swiss cheese, breadcrumbs, some hot pepper, garlic, sugar, onion, Italian seasonings, thyme, black pepper, salt. So, all right,
Alrighty.
let's give her a whirl. Same great Golden Krust.
Yep. Same shape. This, it's a little soft.
Interesting.
So the only one that had a really like more firm pastry was the spicy beef patty. So
The original recipe,
the original. Ooh, this is hot.
Oh, and it's coming out.
Oop. It's spewing. Alrighty. I didn't break that very even, did I?
That's okay. I'll take the smaller piece. All right. So this is a little more of an, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's more of an orangey tint.
Yeah.
Like a red orange almost.
I'm not seeing much
You see
red
some spices.
That's probably the spice that goes into the sauce as well, I'm assuming. Mm-hmm. So.
All right, let's try it.
So here we go.
Okay, I'll take the smaller one and cheers. Here goes nothing.
Here, I'll let you bite first.
I gotta admit, I'm nervous on this one.
Well, we'll have to see.
It smells like pizza.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
You can smell the spices and the tomato and everything. I know that look. That look means.
Right? So.
It's not your traditional like straight up tomato sauce.
No.
Like it's definitely.
No. And so it's hard. It's almost like if you have your spaghetti sauce on your spaghetti, and you just pound it with Parmesan cheese, and you mix it all together, and it's just a little thicker.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm getting here.
The thickness. It has a good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It does taste pizza-y.
Yeah.
I guess I don't know if my brain can reconcile the traditional Jamaican crust, the pastry with the pizza flavor.
Exactly. But it's not terrible.
No. Now tell me, would you like this one over the jerk chicken one? Because jerk chicken was our least favorite so far. Would you eat this over the jerk chicken?
Yes, I probably would eat this over the jerk chicken because the jerk chicken tastes similar to your mild beef. Mm-hmm. So there wasn't much different from your jerk chicken to your mild beef, where this gives you a different flavor, and so gives, and so I would have this over.
I'm really surprised too.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that we would have really liked the jerk chicken one.
Same here.
But you never know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad we tried all of them.
Yep.
What's your number one? Would you say spicy beef?
My number one is going to be spicy beef. Mm-hmm. Like, you can't go wrong with it. It tastes, that's your traditional patty right there. My number two is going to be the curry chicken. You know, it has a really good flavor, especially if you're not craving the beef or spicy beef. You go with the curry chicken.
Yeah.
Number 3, the beef patty, the mild beef patty, and it's good. You know, that's just my number 3. And then number 4, I go with the pizza patty, and number 5, the jerk chicken. Just because the jerk chicken, the flavors are very similar to the mild beef patty, and so there's not much difference to it to me. I don't know. What are yours?
I think for me, I would do, my number 1 would be the mild patty. Just because I like spice, but I don't like to just be burning. And so for me, if it's just burning, it's not enjoyable. And so I would do mild, and then the chicken patty, and then I think the spicy. I think this one's kind of a tie for me, whether I would go spicy or pizza, or even this way, where I'd go mild, and then chicken, and then pizza, and then spicy patty. It's a lot more spicy than what you get in Jamaica. I feel like the Jamaican patties that we've had, like in the grill and in more towards Kingston, but more towards Montego Bay. It's more of a medium patty. And that's not in the tourist areas either. That's, you know, so that's kind of mine. Mild beef, chicken, pizza, spicy beef, and the jerk chicken.
Yep. But
I'm glad we tried them.
Yeah, I like
I'm really impressed with the chicken.
Same here.
I really like that one.
You know,
and if you're not feeling like beef, the chicken, you know, depending on the day, I might even go number 1 chicken and number 2 mild beef. Just depending on the day, what you prefer.
Yeah. You know, and the thing is, if you don't want to make patties, you know, because making patties is time consuming. You know, you can go ahead and go purchase yourself some
for $1.25.
Golden Krust for $1.25.
Yeah.
You know, it's good.
We keep these in our freezer for our kids for after school or snacks or whatnot. If we don't have our homemade ones in the freezer. Right now we have some homemade ones in the freezer, so we don't need to. But in a pinch, they're great and they fill your belly. I like them.
Yeah, I like them. So there you have it.
We'll also link. Sorry.
No.
We'll also link our recipe for Patty's, his granddaddy's recipe, the Patty Man, and so we'll link his recipe in the description box and then also up in the cards. And then we also did kind of a run through of our local Dollar Tree, our dollar store, and kind of showing you some items that we like to buy, and you'd be surprised that there's some pretty good food items.
Right.
You're gonna be surprised, huh?
Oh yeah.
And so, go ahead and try the Golden Krust patties of any variety. And don't be afraid to try something that you haven't tried before, because we were surprised. Our most apprehensive made it in the middle of my pack, and you know, so anyway.
Yeah. So
thanks for joining us. This is the first for us for a taste test. So if you liked it, give us a thumbs up and let us know if you want to see some more taste tests from us.
All right, and thank you for coming to our family pantry, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.